So in this video, we'll be talking about order of operations. And so what are order of operations? Order of operations is basically the order in which you are going to solve an equation. And this is just good practice and stuff that every single mathematician, everybody who does math uses. The basic acronym that is followed to do this is PEMDAS. So the acronym PEMDAS spelled out P, E, M, D, A, and S. Each stand for, so P is parentheses, E is exponent, M multiply, D is divide, A is addition, and S is subtraction. So this would be the order that you'd go in if you were solving a problem. One thing to note is that multiply and divide and addition and subtraction both have special rules, kind of. The rules is basically that one does not come before the other. You just have to read from left to right. So for example, here, if this is 3 times 2 divided by 2, you would read from left to right. So first you do 3 times 2, which would be 6, divided by 2, which is going to be 3. So you just read from left to right. There is no real order when it comes to those two, but those two do come before addition and subtraction. And so let's try a practice problem. So let's do 2 times 1 plus 3 times 4. And so again, you'd want to do, using PEMDAS, you know that multiplication comes before addition. So you would do this section first, and then you do this section, and then you'd add them. So it'd be 2 plus 3 times 4, which is 12, and that's equal to 14. And another practice problem. And so we have 2 times 2 plus 3 minus 4. And so again, parentheses comes first. So you're going to do parentheses first, like this. And so you do what's inside the parentheses. So you're going to get 4 plus -1. And now you just can add them. 4 plus -1 is 3. Another practice problem, let's do parentheses 1 plus 5 squared minus 4 times 3. What does that equal? So again, parentheses first. So the first thing we want to do is do these parentheses. And so we'll get 6 squared minus 4 times 3. And so then again, we want to do the exponent now. So that's going to be 36, 6 squared minus 4 times 3. And now you can see that we want to do multiplication. Again, just following those rules from before, 36 minus 12 now to get your final answer of 24. So this at the beginning is 24. So again, all this looks more complicated. As long as you can follow the rules of PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, you can easily solve this problem and break down into its parts. And here is a last example. Let's do 9 divided by 3 plus 4 squared minus 3 minus 1 squared. And what does that equal to? So we're going to first do the parentheses, right? So this is the first thing you're going to do, parentheses. And so we're going to have 9 divided by 3 plus 4 squared minus, doing the parentheses, that's 2 squared. Okay, so now we're going to go and do the exponents. There's 2 of them. So again, rewriting 9 divided by 3 plus 4 squared, which is 16, minus 2 squared, which is 4. And then doing it again, now you want to do multiply or divide, whichever comes first, reading left to right. So here's division. So we're going to be 3 plus 16 minus 4, and then you just simply do the arithmetic here. You want to do the plus first, so that's 3 plus 16, which is 19, minus 4, which is 15. So finally, the answer for this long problem would be 15. But when you break down those parts, you can see it's actually relatively easy.